I'm at the office today. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it, but it's a rainy day. It's a sad rainy Saturday, and I'm recording this video. I'm on Reddit today, and I'm gonna answer a question. A guy started his own freelancing slash agency. He got his first PPC client, and he's asking, I'm having my first client meeting on Monday. I'll be trying to sell PPC services to a dental clinic. Since it's my first, I'm excited. What would you recommend? What points should I absolutely focus on? I remember the day I got my very first client, right? It was Facebook ads client. I had my 9 to 5 Facebook ads job and I was extremely good at this job. I was able to deliver amazing results for my job for the company I was working for. The company was making maybe I would say around 70K per month, and when I left the company was making millions and millions of dollars. So thanks to my Facebook ads management skills, I was able to help this company grow. But for some reason, I wasn't fully satisfied with my job. I wanted more. I wanted something more challenging. That's why I decided to do freelancing. And back then, it was 2017 or 2018. I'm not sure about the year. Upwork was just like coming up. I went on Upwork and basically I got my first client. I started sending proposals, and out of 5 proposals I got on a call with a client. And for me, I didn't know anything about doing sales call. I didn't know anything about just managing client expectation. I was still very green. I was, I think, 26 maybe, 20, 25, 26, 27. That was my age. So I was very, how should I say, I was very green to the stuff, but as a person, I'm very ambitious. So the first thing I did, and I think I did this very well on the meeting with my client, I focus on what he wants, I focus on what his goals were, and I told this guy, this is how I can help you fulfill these goals. When it comes to the results you expect, I think your results are a little bit unrealistic. I was like, this is what we could do, this is what I'm confident of doing. I was very honest with the guy. I was very honest about my intention, that I'm ambitious, that I want to work with companies that want to grow. And this guy loved me. This guy was like, this is what I'm looking for. He decided to hire me. And I think this job for me paid $20 per hour. That was some years ago. But for me, that was like very decent amount of money because I live in Bulgaria. For me to make this much money, it was just amazing because I had location freedom, right? I could work from Starbucks. I didn't have to commute to my 9 to 5 job. So this is what I focused on. This is how I won a lot of clients. I was focused on them. I was trying to think about what's in it for them. So this was my main theme of the meeting, right? So when you do a meeting with a client, when you do a call with a client, always ask yourself, what's the value I could deliver to this person, right? Uh, Another thing I would like to address is having critical, honest conversations. I think there is a book called, I think, Radical Conversation. I think it's called Radical Honesty. When if you're 100% honest with people, they appreciate it. So in my personal experience in my life, I'm like that honest with my clients. I'm super honest with my wife. I'm super honest with my relative. And I could say I'm living a very decent life. Everybody, my friends, respect me. So it's very important for you to set the expectations properly. Set the expectation properly. I can be if you go on a meeting with a client and if you overpromise and underdeliver, your agency, your career will suffer, right? It's gonna be very easy to sell a client if you say, I'm gonna get you amazing results, you don't have to do anything. That's very easy way to get a client. However, if you're here for the long term, if you are looking to actually build a sustainable business, if you're looking to just get clients, have an easy life, deliver results for clients, this is essential. It's better to under promise and over deliver, right? And right now, if I have to be honest with you, nobody wants to work anymore. It's extremely difficult to hire somebody to do a job for you. Like a few months ago, 6, 7 months ago, I bought like a new AC system. So I tried to hire people to come here and just like install it. And it was very difficult for me to get these people to install the AC. If you go on the internet and if you want to hire a decent Facebook ads manager or Google ads manager, it's extremely difficult to hire because the good people are starting businesses themselves, they're outsourcing the work. So, as a person who is selling a service, you also need to uh, put yourself in the shoes of your future client. Try to understand what is his main challenge. Try to understand what is he struggling with. Try to understand what is his big problem. Try to understand what's gonna happen if this problem doesn't get solved. What are the implications for your client? For example, your client is managing a dental clinic, right? He has a lot of like people on the payroll. If he doesn't manage, for example, to get clients, he needs to hire people. He needs to cover his rent on his personal side, on his like family life. He might have a mortgage. He might be going through a divorce. Those are things that you should be aware of. Those are things that will make your work much easier on the long run. So if you wanna just have a decent relationship with your client, if you want to be, let's say, happy and deliver good results, those are the things I would focus on. So, do I think getting clients is hard? No, I think it's very easy to get clients. However, some of the clients will make your life very, very miserable. And this will come from the fact that you're promising stuff you cannot execute on. My name is Niko. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Check the links in the description below. And I'll talk to you soon.